Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your country on Steam using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your Steam app on your PC and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, click on your profile name at the top right corner and select account details from the drop down menu. In your account details, look for the section called store preferences, or you can click on account details. If you don't see an option, click on your name and then click on profile. From here, select edit profile. Scroll down, you will see option that says country. Click on it. Now choose your country from the drop down menu. You can only change your country if you are actually living in the new country and using a valid payment method from there. Steam may also ask for proof or residence in some cases, and that's it, your Steam. Now you know how to change your country on Steam using your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.